Are you looking for the best printer for Cricut? In this video we will look at some of the best printer for Cricut on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. HP Envy 5055. The HP Envy 5055 is on the low end of HP's Envy line of inkjets and craft printer. It was built with all-in-one printer features after considering both the needs of home offices and families. The printer uniquely offers instant ink that makes it ideal for printing hundreds of pictures measuring 8.5 by 11 inches. In addition, it prints respectable graphics and legible texts. This is acceptable for any family, student, or business output. By subscribing to the optional Instant Ink package, you stand to get your first 2 months of ink free of charge. Afterward, you will only be needed to pay a mere $0.99 monthly fee, which includes both the shipping and recycling cost. Extensive range of paper size support. This all-in-one printer works on paper sizes that measure 4x6, 5x7, 8x10 and size 10 envelopes. The HP Envy 5055 comes with 2 unique software apps. These are namely HP Smart App and HP Photo Creations. The HP Photo Creations is a lightweight photo editor that comes with a collection of templates. The templates greeting cards, calendars, and photo book layouts. Meanwhile, the HP Smart App creates a link between smart devices and printers. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2720. The Epson EcoTank ET2720 is without a doubt the lightest, most compact, and cost-effective bulk ink model printer for Cricut print and cut. Though its print speed may not be worth ranting about, it makes up for it by churning out high-quality prints. By weighing a paltry 13 pounds and measuring 7 by 14.8 by 13.7, it is just the right size to carry about during outdoor working days. In addition, despite being a budget option, it has an amazing duty cycle of 3,000 prints. The all-in-equals-one bulk ink model is compatible with an array of operating systems. A few of them include Windows 10, 8, 8.1, 7 and Mac OS X 10.6, 10.12 by 10. This applies to both 32-bit and 64-bit versions. The device comes packed with enough ink to print 4,500 pages in black as well as 7,500 pages in color. Number 3. HP Office Jet Pro 8035. If you are seeking to upgrade your office printer, then you can't go wrong by choosing the HP Office Jet Pro 8035. This newer and sleeker version of the HP Office Jet Pro 6978 is able to print at a rate of 20 pages per minute. In addition, it comes with scanty USB and fax capabilities despite being 14% smaller. Moreover, it comes with 8 months worth of ink. This is usually in the form of a code that allows you to redeem the ink. This top-notch Cricut maker by HP enables you to organize your documents up to 5-0 By using smart tasks to sync with your Google Drive or QuickBooks, you benefit from avoiding repetitive tasks. The app further allows you to digitize your receipts, making them more organized and accessible. HP prides itself on ensuring its products protect its clients' privacy. The printer is equipped with built-in encryption, Wi-Fi security, document safety, and password protection. This ensures proper multi-layered security to your digital information. Remote accessibility. Using the HP Smart App, you can easily gain access to your printer and scanner. This further allows you to monitor ink levels and plan. In addition, you can scan, print, and copy craft projects on the go by simply clicking on your smart device. Number 4. Canon PIXMA MG3620. The Canon PIXMA MG3620 is the best inkjet printer for Cricut to use at home. Despite offering an initially amazing cost per unit, it ends up being quite costly in the end. This is owing to its 2-cartridge system that drives up the cost in the long run. The device is perfect for family photo scrapbooking. Though its flatbed scanner may be deficient when it comes to scanning a lot of documents, there is a little worry when copying or scanning older parchments. In addition, it has an excellent cost-to-print ratio for black ink. This allows the user to occasionally print text documents. Moreover, the cost-to-print ratio for colored ink is even more encouraging, as you can obtain high-yield cartridges when you require more ink. Adjustable scanner. Though the printer's software limits the maximum resolution to 600 dpi, it is adjustable. You can raise the dpi within Canon's software to achieve a higher resolution. However, if the document you are scanning exceeds 100 megabytes, you will have to switch off the thumbnail preview model to attain 1200 dpi. This nifty printer has an amazing picture printing quality. This is despite the colors being slightly oversaturated and the grayscale banding together. The printing results are often based on the actual physical quality of the original photo. Number 5. HP Envy Photo 7855. If you want to print a high-quality photo, then HP Envy Photo 7855 all-in-one photo printer is the ideal choice for you as a printer that works with Cricut. Furthermore, this printer can deliver colorful flyers, documents, and other pieces of art. The most attractive option of this printer is the capability of quick printing. Additionally, you will get the same photo quality that you have seen on your devices. HP Envy Photo 7855 includes multitasking features. You can print, copy, scan, and fax. People like to choose this printer due to its borderless photo printing and automatic document feeding capacity. The wireless connectivity system plays an advanced role in printing with this printer. You can connect the primer with an authentic Wi-Fi device for instant print. Includes, the Bluetooth device of this printer helps connect with laptops or cell phones. Also, you can connect this printer with a cable and USB port of a computer. By installing a powerful smart app on your phone, you can print different sizes of photos. The app is pretty helpful for the instant installation of the printer to print any artwork. After ending the printer ink, you need to insert a new pack to print without any interruption. Refilling in is also costly without an instant ink pack. HP allows an instant refilling ink pack to make your work easier.